back to Ajax at Macau Tower, and our next jumpers from Japan. There you go, with our very handsome jump master John and jump master Tony. Oh, there he is on the edge. Oh yeah, enjoy your jump. Great jump. Congratulations. Yeah, very nice jump. 233 meters, 764 feet. Let's see if we can pull that. Yeah, great job. Congrats again. Next time try going backwards. Now let's go back to our jump deck and hear what our jump master has to say. Very gentle. Don't forget to log in our website. Thanks for jumping again. Bye bye.